You can wash, then you can throw away again. Yes, you can throw away.
Pensa pano ponda pankala pale bwino akutaya
anzi pese pano tsika panogara pakanaka.
Okay, he said every your step is a good step.
Pensa kumuona kumambuya achipita huko amona monga kubwera ali bwino kale.
Zvanzi wese munhu ari kuenda
anomuona
kumusana kwake anomuona sekunge ari kuuya.
Okay. He said someone is looking for you. You are going like another side, but he see you like you are coming to him.
Okay.
Yes.
Kusinga mankwala tangwe twakuipa chose tsiko lino akunyamula pita tsiko enango akuenda tsiko eponi
atari kuenda kupi
ari kuenda ku India. Yes.
Achapita na uyu achatenta omwe akapita nayo ino kala ya bwino ne mfiti ne uwani wakuipa aipata lini
ranza achadambura motakula pisi yo kwese kwa achaenda nyangwe akaipa nyangwe muroyi nyangwe munhu anobata zvakaipa hapana chaanokwanisa kuita nekutsvigirira.
Okay. He said you can cut that stick, then you can take from India. If you are reaching India, anyone is want to attack you, even if different powers is not attacking you. Any power.
What about this stolen?
This what?
Stolen. If he's stolen someone.
Yeah, arubunza nzuko what about mumwe munhu akabata nzvimbo yangu iyo.
Kamba kuti pakakhala palina munthu wandibera oloka walala.
Chipanga video. Atiyani?
Ati pakakhala palina anza ibati aishande futi. Ikoko kwa inenge biwa aishande.
Ko iye anoramba ine zvinoramba zvingobura.
Power inkala iriko.
Simba rake rinogara ririko.
Okay. He said even someone is stealing your stick, even if want to use it's not working to him. It's working only to you. But you have your power in your body.
Oh.
Yes. Said that time we are walking, even you are going to that bad place, your heart is supposed to beat before you reach to that place. Then you understand this is wrong place.
Oh.
Yes.
Pakufuna kuitika chakuipa timwake ukamenya amba afaeka kuti afutuka pano bura.
Zvanzi pakada kuitika chakaipa moyo wake ukarova anotombonzwawo ega iye kutonza anotonzwa ega iye kutonzi zvinenge zvitotaura kuti ibva buda panapa pandiri pane zvinhu zvakaipa zvinoda kuitika.
Okay. He said even something wrong is want to go to your life, your heart is supposed to beat, then your heart is supposed to tell you don't go there, then you can go somewhere. Oh. If even you are staying, your heart is beating, it's supposed to tell you you can leave from this place.
Oh.
Yes.
Chabwino ufuna abwere atsagoda mapa atsapate mapyanga na manja ndiva
kuti zvanzi ngasumuke auye apfugame apa abate mabvi esekuru nemaoko.
You can stand up. What about this thing?
Yeah, ningapata.
Okay. We want you to catch Sekuru on knees. Come here in front of Sekuru. But you're supposed to put your knees down. Your knees down. Yes. Then you touch Sekuru knees.
Pampu zose zakusika manja mauyu
zvanzisimba rese ndakurisisa maoko
ita naye ku India
tabo ni chitira kuti akafuna kumbaona zvisinji zvaantu ambadza muimbira telefoni wadziko inango madziko yanango yasinji ya.
He said that I want you, if you want to see everything outside the country, they will call you and you will use that mirror to see what is there.
Okay.
Are you understand?
Yes, yes.
So mwezi uchakaruku unati walimba, so ukalimba iye dzayambamba ambayamba kuona zvisinji.
The moon is still half and is still at this side, the western side.
Yeah.
So when the moon is now fully, you will see everything on that mirror.
Okay, moon is full at that time we can see.
Yes, because in African we use the moon when it is still a quarter or a half. The African medium spirits will not see. So the African medium spirits uses the moon when it is still half. Those spirits will not do the job, especially for those who are starting like you. So if the moon is now fully, then you will start seeing everything.
Okay, that stick and this should be same place.
Yes.
At that time we can, when someone is calling to us, at that time we have to see.
You will see on that mirror.
If some person is coming in front of us, at that time also we can see.
Ati kukachita ngati muntu akubwera kuti adza mumvute ambamona pamirapo.
Pamwe pa ndamupasira pa ndipapasira lino anthu imwe ndamupasira thangwengwa kutali.
At that mirror I want to give some people, even those who want to do the job like what he is doing. He won't give this mirror, but he gave you because you have a foreigner. Yeah. So you won't come here during the time you want to be given some powers again. Okay. So that mirror has got some power that you use to see everything. When an enemy is coming, or else when someone has got a problem, you will see.
Okay, so that stick and that should be together.
Yes.
Okay, so this will become in front of us or side of us?
Atimwei nimbaika patsogoro or nimbaika pambali.
Ilibe
akafuna patanchita mbaika patsogoro or mbaika pambali.
Olokuika pafuna.
Okay. Wherever you want to put it, even in front of you or the side way.
Okay.
Nothing problem, as long you are seeing the mirror.
Okay.
So mwezi ukadzadzara uku ndufuna anzabwera wabva.
So when the moon is fully, then you come before you leave to India.
Oh, that is impossible. Because my chairman is coming next week.
Next week
my chairman is coming. That's why we are coming here today.
Okay.
Fast.
Okay.
It's coming.
Ati munichiro wa ya kupatira basa. Akubwera sumane kubwera so penangu akabwera ambaye ndratu so ambadza kwanisa lini kutabwere kuno thangwe abwera siku ya lero ino.
That's why we are coming here. I'm just coming from company half day.
Tapo ndabvera palibe problema, so ndikafuna kuti anzabwera anza ndonambo basi nkhope. So apa tichitetene paye mwapa uyu dzake dzatoyamba dzikutoyambira, so ungoimira mwezi utuluke muvana.
He said no problem, so today he will finish the job with you, then when the moon is fully, everything will be well. That's where you will start your job, doing everything what you want to do.
Okay, so vision will come when?
At kuona kule kumbayambiratu o
kuyamba uchiyamba kufuna kulimba pale iya kuyamba mbusha datangwe awa mba kuyamba so mbayamba mwezi wa kulimba uko.
As you are starting, so the vision will come when the moon is now fully. So I think there's no a week yet.
Yeah, what's the date?
10.
10.
Okay. So morning 10.
Today it's 10.
Oh, 10.
So I think after
Maybe end of this month.
What?
No.
not even next week.
Next week hiyo
Those ndatombo
watosumuka wasara bijana.
I think patinosvika mumaweekend kune ngonya dzosimba.
Ngolimba.
Within 1 week maybe. Moon is
Will be fully.
then you can see.
Okay. In that
Even vision.
Ati kuona palibe mira zvinodikirira mwezi ulimbe ona
kuona huku dzimba konekita na mutu so ibva kuona huku ndo tichayamba huku kumfurira mwechita furi.
He's saying the vision will start even just before the moon fully, but for you to do the job, the moon, you will start when the moon is now fully full. So the vision will come in time because the power, the medicine which you was cutting inside, or putting in the cuttings will help you to see the vision.
So that vision is not like that night, na? Because what happened, I am just looking, concentrate, na, the vision will come. So that's we no need. We need only the when we require at that time that vision will be see.
hanzi kwasukunda ingoramba nchena vision saka ndoda kuona vision pandiri ndakuda kuona ini ndoda kufanta
When we require at that time only, otherwise it will become a big accident.
Ati tsuku yamuda pita nayo kutengo akaona zvikambaramba zvichibwera basi. So iye akufuna kuti pandikufuna kuti ndimbaone pamwepo, ndikafuna kuti ndifuna lini kuona nimbachitambo dzinango nimbafuna dzimba katinga dzveka
ndodza tikumaliza kudzakonza pali mankhwala achadza pasiwa kusamba akuyamba kundoona cha.
He's saying that we are now finishing the job. He will give you some after medicine so that you will bath. After that, you will see the vision when you want to see. But when you don't want to see, it will cut itself.
Every day I am praying home.
You used to pray at home. You won't go to the church.
No, we are using temple.
Ambapemphera panyumba usapita kugereja.
Tsiku dia iliyonse ambapemphera machibese na madzulo.
I'm not going church, I'm going temple. But every day, evening and morning, I'm doing my home meditation and chanting.
Okay.
Janja lake nchiponi janja
Alafu nati nimbaite mpamvu.
Janja la mpamvu la mpapata mchana mpimbo.
Which is your power hand which you use even to hold something.
Right.
Right. Okay.
Okay, let see baraki.
Anzatayet. Antayek.
You just throw it away when you are going.
So we are
Throw away, yes.
Okay.
Mirai. Four. Don't say.
Just pull it.
Yes.
A little bit.
Right. Nampasa Mirai. Anzona utali. Kuchita nayo vopa.
He said he gave you that mirror so that you will use it to see long distance.
So ambazaona tuzinji maningi.
You will see
Mirai mwenye.
more and many things.
Unachimba ndani basa ile.
With the power African stick which you have been given, you will use it together.
So Mirai imbachita muntu akakhala kudziko inango ndopamba patisa basa imba mumonesa zvese.
You will use that mirror when someone is in another country, so that if you are doing video call with him, you will see everything which is there.
No.
Then you tell him that you have got this and this problem. So
pakupita akafuna kuisiya ansiya, akafuna kupita nayo analewa kuti akufuna kupita nayo.
So he's saying that if it is possible, you can take it when going, or you leave it if you don't want to take it to India.
This one.
Yeah. Yes. If you want to take it, you will go with it. But
Okay.
if you want to leave it, you will leave it.
That mirror.
Yes.
So anzachita zvakufuna iye pakupita okupita naye o dzaisiya kuno. So apa ndofuna kuti ndo yakuyambisa na
You will
the
do.
quick charge yamphamvu.
He's saying that this is the quick charger of your power phone. So if you want, when you are going to India, if you want to leave it, you come and leave it here. But if you want to take it, you just tell him that there is no problem to go with it. Then you will take it to India.
No problem.
No problem. You want to take it to India.
Tabo nichitira kuti akafuna kumbaona zvisinji zvaantu ambadza muimbira telefoni wadziko inango madziko yanango yasinji ya.
He said that I want you, if you want to see everything outside the country, they will call you and you will use that mirror to see what is there.
Okay.
Ndibva kuna bwino.
Are you understanding?
Yes, yes.
So mwezi uchakaruku unati walimba. So ukalimba iye dzayamba kuona zvisinji.
The moon is still half and is still at this side, the western side.
Yeah.
Tukufuna akapata basa ngubva vensi kuindi yako akadzaleve kuti imwe vantu ambapata basa tufuna akadzachirise vantu ngubva.
He wants you to go and do the job. So
Tufuna vantu akadzale.
Not only me, but teacher also know.
yes.
Not only. People asking me where you learn, then I will say the name.
Okay, you should, yeah. Zita robva rafamba robva rakura.
You just remove your finger this.
Yeah.
You remove that finger.
Yes. Yeah.
palipense papita panachokuda ipa timu wake unomenya ndipo ndambika huyu
anzi pese papinda napo pane chakaipa moyo wake unorova
umbamenya asatafika
unorova asatafika
ati ndalama yekubwera lini. What you have said?
So that money that my friend is taken, that should give us.
Okay. Ati ndalama ije idatengedwa na nzachi afuna kuti ibwere.
Tapa. Kuchoma mawa ya kukonza chani kobiri zikubwera. Wetsada mutengera kobiri zikubwera kuchoma mawa. Wetsa undaibira telefoni wetsa ntime kumenya.
He is saying that just phone them the day after tomorrow. I want them to give you your money. If they are not answering your calls, but he is saying I've done something so that tomorrow, after tomorrow, when you call them, they have to respond to your call.
Oh. So any medicine, all the medicine you have given me, right?
Ati pali neunangu mufuna kumpatsira muti
mankwara aenda mpasa yotse yakhalaya ndikukonza ndekhacha.
Okay. He said that you just go and use what you have given, but there is something which he is doing which needs to be done by Sekuru, so that he will do it and just call your name and do it whilst you are not present.
Okay. So maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow that vision will come.
No, you are not supposed to come since you said that you don't have time.
He's talking about vision.
Vision.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
I think the day after tomorrow, because he said that if you bath and drink once that medicine, yes, will connect with the medicine which you have been put in your head, so that the vision will start coming. So I think during the time you are bathing, 3 days, and drink that medicine on Thursday, everything will be starting now.
Oh,
Yeah.
Tabo. Tayamika, tatokoza, tufuna mwende bwino.
He said, we have done everything, we have finished, so want you to have a good journey from here going home.
thank you very much.
Tabo, mbazaimba telefoni na. Tufuna kuimba, aimba telefoni, anzaliwa na labasio.
Okay. He's saying that don't hesitate to call Sekuru. When you want to call him, you'll call him, and he is free to call you again, asking whether everything is now starting.
Okay.
Okay.
Tabo. Nzakea na chakula.
You take from none. Yeah, you're done. Yeah, that's okay.
Chakula. Tayamika eti.
Yeah.
Mava. That tayamika pa Jones tutachita tupasira Mulungu kutsogolo.
He's saying that all what we have done, we have give it to the God.
Okay.
Njetsi mitima yathu ititokozere bzintu bzende kutsogolo kuchokera kuna umwe.
All what we have done will go forward forever. Our medium spirit will lead us, that the power, you have given the power, so that you are going to do the job properly.
Oh, thank you.
Na Pinango.
Do you have something to ask?
It's nothing now.
Ati palibe cha kufunza, alibe cha kumoyo.